Welcome to Easy and Quick Python Programming for Kids Foundation course.
Session 8 Setup and Tips. To run Python on your system, you need to install Python IDE. Use www.python.org/downloads to download latest version from Python web.
Download Python and install it on your system.
Once you download the Python installation based on your operating system, start the installation. When you are doing the installation for Windows, remember to check the below box indicating add Python to environment variable path. It is recommended to install Anaconda 3 to get Jupyter Editor IDE, which we used in throughout our session. For that, go to anaconda.com products individual and download the Anaconda version and install that on your local system. Remember to check these two boxes indicating Anaconda to add it in environment path and register Anaconda in the system with Python. After successful installation of Anaconda, launch the Anaconda Navigator. In the Anaconda Navigator, you can see option for Jupyter Editor. Click on Launch button to launch Jupyter Editor IDE. One can install Jupyter Editor or can use online Jupyter Editor. Jupyter Editor IDE will launch in Chrome or Internet Explorer. Click on New and Python 3 to create new Python file. Click on title of the program and update the program title as per experiment name. You can click on the run button to run the program or use shift plus enter to execute command written in a cell. It is recommended to enter a program provided in book inside a single cell and execute each cell one by one and check the result of output. We can generate a large program by combining such multiple cells and run it using run button on IDE. By default, files will be saved with ipynb extension. Files can be extracted as .py using download option. One can use VS Code or PyCharm development platforms for Python programming. From Anaconda Navigator or directly you can launch Jupyter Notebook. Once you launch a program, do new file Python 3. It will launch new program. Give the title to program test1. Write program in each cell and execute each cell using shift plus enter button, or you can use directly this run button. Save the program using this save option. You can download the program as a Python file using download option. You can import the program using open option. If any program got stuck in between or any error occur, then use kernel reset and clear option. This will help to reset and clear the output so that you can run the program one more time without any error. All the diagrams and programs from this session are taken from Easy and Quick Python Programming for Kids book published by High Tech Easy Publication, author Mahesh Sambhaji Jadhav. One can buy this book from Amazon store or from Google Play Store. Thanks for attending the session. Please provide your valuable feedback, comments and likes to the session. Thank you.